This video will demonstrate how to use the Department of Licensing's online system to separate from a firm. This will place your license into inactive status. There are two scenarios where you will want to place your license into inactive status. First, you may want to stop performing real estate activities. Second, you may have been hired by a new firm and the firm needs to add you to its licensee list. This was previously known as a license transfer. In most cases, your license must be in inactive status before you can be added by a new firm. Here's the one exception. Managing brokers with a designated broker endorsement do not need to be in inactive status to be added to a firm. So let's begin. Go to https://fortress.wa.gov/dol/solar, and it's important here that you do enter the https://. Step 1. Log into your account. Step 2. At your dashboard, check the My To-Do section to see if you need to add contact information. If you do, the Separate link will not appear on your dashboard until you have entered the required contact information. To add contact information, click the Update link for the appropriate contact information section and make the necessary changes. Step 3. Go here to the Firm row on your dashboard and click Separate. Here in Step 4, the Separate from My Firm page contains important information about this process. Read the information on the page, then click the box where it says, I've read and understand the information above. This also confirms you want to separate from the firm. Click Yes. Step 5 is your Separate from My Firm receipt. If you'd like to print the receipt, click the Print This page. To move forward, click I'm done, and that'll bring you to our user feedback page. Let's take a closer look at the user feedback page here in Step 6. You can choose to provide a star rating and enter any comments. You can provide either or both, then click Submit. Or you can skip providing user feedback by clicking Cancel. In either case, you'll still be logged in and will be returned to your dashboard. Step 7. At the dashboard, you will see the firm name has been removed and your license is now inactive. And your alternate contact information has now become your primary contact information. The system now sends an email to your previous firm indicating that you are no longer working for that firm. Because your license is now inactive, you can't work as a broker or managing broker until you are added by a new firm. If you are not going to work for a new firm at this time, you are done with this transaction. You can now log off to leave the system. If you are going to work for a new firm, you must wait for an invitation email from your new firm before you can continue. Our system will send you an email when the new firm invites you to join them. You'll have 7 days to act on the firm request. Log off for now, and when you receive the invitation email from your new firm, watch our video, Respond to a Firm Request. Thank you for watching this video.